I tried something. My hand has been hurting, and I think I've been using my phone too much to send emails and make videos, so I tried something. I used my left hand to draw this. Now it's shaky, and my line work is not as good, but I was still able to do it. So pencil definitely works better, but I'm gonna keep going, determined to get this one good. Yay, new goals. I have to do this each time. So when I get going, my left hand, it just feels weird with my pinky touching the rest of my fingers. So I have to look at my right hand, put the pencil in my right hand, and then switch it over to my left. I have a terrible time right now going in little circles. And so I'll take my right hand and practice it and then switch it to my left hand and try it again. I'm still struggling. I can do hatching pretty good. And it is interesting. I'm finding that I'm holding my breath or I'm gritting my teeth more. And it's not as relaxing as drawing with my right hand, but I think I'm getting a little bit better. I haven't been very consistent drawing with this every day, but I'm definitely making it a habit.